properties of whole numbers. This is the one of the important and easy for understanding. There is the properties of whole numbers. So in this first property, closure property, commutative, associative, identity. In this plus into minus division, addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. How it is possible? First I am going for closure property. First one go for closure. So what is closure means? We have to check properties on whole numbers. We are check properties on whole numbers. If I take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if addition, I am checking for addition. Going for addition. In this, if I have to add any numbers, for example, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is also whole number. Yes, I take another one number. 5 plus 10, that is equal to 15. 50 is also whole number. So 15 also whole number. So I take any two numbers. You have any two whole numbers, add them, then it is a whole number. Then it is called closure property. It is called closure. If I add any two whole numbers, the result, whatever the result is also whole number. Then it is called closure property. Understand? Next, after closure, commutative property. Commutative property. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuously. Next one వచ్చేసి commutative. Next property commutative. Next property is commutative. What is commutative? I have to take any two numbers. Any two numbers. I am take 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. And again 3 plus 2. Both results should be 5. Both results should be 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 also 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So if the pattern is changed, okay, left side number we are writing right side is the left side, but result should be same. The result should be same. That means any two whole numbers a plus b and b plus a is equal to, both are same result. Both are same result. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the commutative property. So commutative property is satisfied. So whole numbers under addition, commutative satisfied. Commutative okay? Next, after commutative, I am taking another word, that is the associative property. Next to associative. Next one is associative. Associative means here simple, same like that only commutative property, but in commutative we are taking two numbers. Here we are taking three numbers. What are they? For example, let any 3 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6. So I am adding three numbers and three numbers. But in these three numbers, first two numbers I am adding, then after third number. Here also first number, then after two numbers adding. Same like that only. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 10. 13 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. Therefore, if associative property means any three numbers if I have to add, the pattern change, that is a 3a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b c. That is a property. This is the associative property. If both are equal, then only it is satisfied. Then it is satisfied the associative property. Understand? So 3 plus 4 plus 6 or 3 plus 4 plus 6. First these two add, then after these two add. But total result should be equal. then it is called associative property. So whole number satisfied associative property. Next, associative after. Associative after we have identity. We have identity. What is identity means? If I have 5 is equal to, observe here, 0 plus 5 or 5 plus 0, 0 plus 5 or 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 or 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So if you add 0, if you add 0 to any number, 0 to any number, you have add 0 any number, or 13 plus 0 is equal to 13. So if you add any number to 0, the result should be same, that number only, that number only. Then 0 is called identity. 0 is called identity. Is this 0 is in whole numbers? Is this 0 is in whole numbers? So but we have to take natural numbers. Natural number having no 0. So it is not identity natural numbers. But whole numbers we have identity. What is identity? Addition identity is 0. Additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity is 0. Additive identity is 0. So whole numbers have 0. So whole number satisfied 0. Okay. Next, after we are addition is over. So whole numbers under addition, closure okay, satisfied, commutative okay, associative okay, identity okay. Next we are going for multiplication. Next I am going for multiplication. Next I am going for multiplication. So for example I am take closure property. Closure property means, what is closure? You have to take any two numbers, 3 plus 6. 6 also whole numbers. Multiple any whole numbers, the result should be in whole number only. The result is also whole. So closure. So multiple any two whole numbers. You are getting result also whole number. So whole numbers under closure property. Whole numbers under closure property. Next to closure after commutative. What is commutative? If I have take any two numbers, 5 and 6 into 6 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. So both are same. Result should be same. We pattern changed. The answer should be same. Then it is called commutative. So multiplication also commutative also okay. Next, after commutative we are going for associative property. Associative property. What is associative? What is associative? If I am taking 3 into 4 into 2 is equal to 3 into 4 into 2. Two numbers. Okay, first 3 4 ja 12 into 2 is equal to 3 into 8. This is also 24. This is also 24. Associative means A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Same properties. Same properties satisfied. Then it is called associative. Answer should be equal. Answer should be equal. That is our answer. Answer should be equal. Then for it is associative. Otherwise it is not associative. Otherwise it is not associative. So word is here. Associative is okay. Next identity. Next identity. What is identity? Next identity. So what is identity? property. What is identity property? Simple. 1 into 6 is equal to 6, or 6 into 1 is equal to 6, or 1 into 100 is equal to 100, or 500 into 1 is equal to 500. So if I multiple with 1, then number should be same number, result should be same, result should be same. So 1 into something is equal to something, 1 into something is equal to something. Same here we are using 0, here we are using 0. 0 is additive identity, 0 is additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity, 1 is multiplicative identity. But whole numbers have 0. So except to 0, remaining all numbers satisfied identity property. Remaining all numbers are satisfied identity property under multiplication. Addition is every number okay, but multiplication except to 0, all numbers are satisfied. Next problem, we are going for minus or subtractions. So we are checking for closure. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, okay, but 3 minus 5 minus 2. So we are not going, 3 minus 5 is not possible in whole numbers. 3 minus 5 is not possible in whole numbers. So it is not under closure. Simple. Here 5 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 5. Both are not equal. So it is not under commutative. Next same associative also, identity also. Even we have to take division also, it is not satisfied closure, commutative, associative and identity. So whole numbers under addition and multiplication, they are satisfied closure property, commutative, associative and identity. 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. This is the properties of whole numbers. Okay. So next we are going for the next topic.